everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Dominica here, and today's video is a special video because it's a get ready with me birthday edition. Today is my 22nd birthday, June 5th. Gemini babies up in here. Okay, let me stop. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready today. Nothing special. My makeup, something simple because I have some errands to run, places to be, people to see, you know, basic stuff. And I'm gonna do a playlist of video as well, so it's a get ready me / playlist music thing where I play some music. I've made a playlist this morning, some music I like to listen to when I'm getting ready. So without any further ado, let's get started. Oh yeah, I already have my brows done. I used the Kween Cosmetic medium brow pomade. Is really good, so I already did my eyebrows because that kind of takes me some time to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the video. I'm going to use the E.L.F. poreless face primer to prime my face today and kind of load it up. And now I'm going to go in with this NYX orange blush. It's a cream blush, but I'm going to use it to, what am I using this for? Oh, to color correct some of my hyperpigmentations. So I'm just going to go ahead with that. And then I'm going to actually set my entire face now while my primer is still sitting on my face with this Coty airspun loose face powder. It's the translucent extra coverage. This is going to make sure my makeup stays all day because I want to take lots of pictures today, and my makeup needs to be flawless throughout today. Alright, now it's time to move into foundation, and I'm going with my good and trusty Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is the shade 356 Warm Coconut. With my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel, so I'm applying this to my face now. Alright, now it's time for me to set my face. Sometimes I can talk, sometimes I can't. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. I'm using shade 30 medium deep for under my eyes and where I concealed. And then for the rest of my face, I am using shade 35 deep. So put this on my face. Can't sleep on wide awake. I've been up since yesterday. Scared 'cause I know it ain't a game. Like, who am I gonna be today? Tell your homeboy what's good. I'm trying to fit it in your hood. Got the weight of the world on me, but no regrets, this is what I say. I ain't really fucking with these niggas like it's why don't you come like stagger until I earn your stripes. You tryna beat me, but big and never in your life. Even if you had on my sneakers like Bow and like Mike, like got these niggas watch me because I stay the fuck. How I do them dirty like a wing. Why they be talking like they might lose something? I better guess that I'm willing to the lyric. Alright, and moving on to contour, I'm using this pressed powder by Radiance. It's in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to go contour my face. Where's my brush at? Ooh, I'm about to rap. I'm about to rap. I can't sing either. Ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I be using the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Bitches ain't shit and they ain't saying nothing. Ricky, put it in your kidney. Got a new rose for 50. Ain't no keys in this doohickey. Rapping, I be trapping. It won't trapping, I be pippin'. It won't pippin', I be getting it. Period. I don't smoke no Bobby, but my name is Ricky. Using this E.L.F. blush palette in dark, and I'm using these two shades to blush my face up, and I like lots of blush, so I'm going ham with it. Continue with the tutorial. Okay, now I'm moving on to highlight, and I am taking two of my favorites and I'm going to mix them, and that is Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty and this Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. So I mix these two and apply it to my face. And now moving to eyeliner. I'm not doing nothing with my eyes, so I'm just going to put on eyeliner, mascara, and some falsies and let that be it. I'm using this NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black just to do a thick liner.
So please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a PlayStation. Please do not try to run game on me. I'm not a 360. This shit told me she don't wanna be naked. Telling me she wanna tie up the knot. Fuck her, then kick her right out of the spot. I don't know what the fuck up with these strippers. They don't have a house and don't have a big hip. These bitches that shit I forgot to mention. Cuffing that hoe when you think you tricking. Sneaking and geeking. I see your eyes. Fucking for money, but in the night.
Alright, so I just finished my eyes off camera. I put black kohl eyeliner in my waterlines on the top, and then on the waterline on the bottom I put a nude mascara and some lashes, and now I'm moving on to lips, and we're almost finished. Oh, so I'm lining my lips with this NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Club Hopper, and then I'm going to throw on a little bit of this Kween Cosmetics lip gloss in Fiji, and then go over top in this Ruby Kisses lip oil just to give it a little bit more shine.
Nobody touch me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, I'm like potential, I just gotta say it though. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. You need to forward and give me all the work. It's a me if it work. You see me do my
Alright, so this is the final look. All I did was go through my brows with more of my brow pomade just to get my tail a little bit more sharper. And then I set my brows with some eyebrow gel. And then just set my face one more time with my setting sprays. That's it for this look. If you like this Get Ready With Me /playlist, let me know. I can do some more of them. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Like this video. If you liked it, don't dislike it because that's shady. And don't forget to follow me, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias. All the handles will be listed down below. My Instagram name is Dominica. No, it's not. My Instagram is Makeup by Bird, and my Twitter is Dominica Worth. Sometimes I get on Snapchat, but that's down there. So if you want to follow me, you can follow me. Let's be friends. Let's have fun. And yeah, it's my birthday. Bye.